pre-K. I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to read a book. Are you ready? Let's begin. The title of the book is Pigs Makes Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. Are you ready? Let's begin. Front cover, back cover, spine of the book. Open it up. Let's take a look. You ready? Pigs Makes Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. Gerald, says Piggy. What do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Shoo! What do you think happened? Let's find out. Sniff, sniff, says Gerald. Are you okay? Says Piggy. I do not know. Shoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Shoo! One more time. What do you think is happening to Gerald? I cannot stop sneezing. Look at Gerald. Oh no! What if? What if? What if Pigs makes me sneeze? Look at Piggy. He's wondering what's happening. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Says Piggy. I'm sorry, says Gerald. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Look at Gerald. Do you think he's happy? No, I don't think so. I think he's very sad. But Gerald, says Piggy, no, do not speak. It is too late. Shoop. Goodbye, says Gerald to Piggy. And Piggy says, but Gerald, wait. And then there is Dr. Cat. Look at Gerald. He's sad. He's almost crying. Sniff, sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? Says Dr. Cat. No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. I'm not fine. Pigs makes me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Shoo! He sneezed one more time. And look at the cat. Great. Now cat makes me sneeze too. He's thinking that maybe cats are making him sneeze again. Let's see. Todd. I do not think pigs makes you sneeze, says Dr. Cat. I do not think cats makes you sneeze. So what do you think is happening to Gerald? Why is he sneezing so much? Let's find out. I think you have a cold. A cold, says Gerald. You are sick, says Dr. Cat. I am sick, says Gerald. Now he's happy. Oh, thank you, doctor. Thank you. Look how Gerald is hugging Dr. Cat because he's now happy. Excellent. Piggy, Piggy, great news. He's running to see his friend Piggy to tell him the news. I have a cold, says Gerald. And now look at Piggy. Good for you, says Piggy. Now who do you think is sick? Yes, exactly. Piggy is now sick. And that's the end of our story. I hope you're doing great, guys. See you soon.